Hello guys, today I would like to tell you how to use a draft. So in my scenario, there has a cube. So let's directly go to the draft. And the default tab is from plane or surface. So at the draft masses, let's just keep into a stationary face. So we need to select it a stationary face. So let's select the bottom face. And next we need to select the faces to draft. So we need to select it the side wall and let's keep it into a 10 degrees. So we could got this kind of shape. We could also select it all the side walls to make it becomes the kind of ladder shape. Next, if we choose to from the edge, so um, this specifies vectors to traverse to the top. And for example, we selected this edge into this edge, maybe this edge. So you could got based on this edge with this kind of specifies vectors, it has a 10 degrees draft, right? And we could also reverse it to another directions. We could also go there to reverse the specified vectors, so we could get this kind of draft effect. And we could in here we could also add a new set. For examples, we added this directions. We could also tap the shapes that we want. So we could got a 30 degrees traverse to this kind of directions. We could also got a reverse, right? So let's continue going to the draft. In this time, we selected this to a tangent face. Before we do a tangent face, let's give a edge blend to one of the edge. So let's give it 10. So we hit it apply. Next time we're going to the draft. In the draft, we change this into a tangents to faces. And we need to give a specified vectors. Let's hit it this face to the directions traverse to the top. Next, we need to select the face. Let's select it the radius. So you could say we got this kind of tangent face draft with 10 degrees. So if we change to a 30, we could got a more drafted there. So next we talk about the draft if we choose a two parting edges. So at the very beginning, I need to sketches and we draw a line on here. So we give a line here and hit to finish. And then we're going to more split body. Or we need to go into a menu, insert, we're going to trim divided face, and we select the face that we want to be divided, and then we selected the object we're just drawing on that surface. So let's hit it apply. Okay, at that moment, if we go into a draft and we change the tapping to two parting edge and we selected the plane here and the specific vectors, let's choose traverse to the top and reverse to the bottom. And this time we selected the edge to here. So you could, based on the parting lines, to do a parting draft, right? We could also reverse this directions, so we could got a different result. Let's hit it apply. Okay guys, today's tutorial about draft just to finish here. You could, if you like my video, just could subscribe to my channel and see you in next class. Bye.